Welcome my dear friends to my channel. So today we will be replacing the glass of the camera lens. So for this we will be needing tempered glass from the old phone like this one. You can see it is cracked, and or we can use a hard plastic like of that pen drive. So but I suggest you to use tempered glass. Now you can see that it is cracked. The glass of camera is cracked. So we will be removing the pieces. We can use this tool or any other tool to bring out the broken glass pieces. One by one we will be bringing out the broken glasses. Be careful that you don't touch the lens. Now this is the tempered glass. From this we can find the piece which can be adjusted at the camera lens. So now we have this glass from the tempered glass because its shape resembles a lot. The shape of this piece resembles with the required piece. So now the tempered glass is very thinner and we can cut it by a scissor or any other sharp tool. Now to give the final touch, we will be polishing it with the sandpaper so that it becomes fit to the required piece. It needs some more polishing, and there is something here. Let's move it. Yeah. Now again we will test. Some more polishing is needed. It just got fitted. Now we will be cleaning this glass with some alcohol. As you know that sanitizer is made up of alcohol, we will be using sanitizer to clean the glass to avoid any dust particles, because it will reduce the clarity of the image. You can also use a cloth to clean the sanitizer and make it shine. Now it is looking good. So now we will be replacing the other side too, because it will increase the strength and clarity. If the other side is not broken much, you can leave it as it is, and only replace one side, because the clarity offered by the first lens is very good, because whereas this tempered glass is for the secondary purpose. Now we are having perfect combination. Yes, the lens is now looking very good. Now, the final advice, you should make it stick by some glue. I don't recommend you to use any glue gun or Fab-Stick. You can use Fabicol at the edges and put the glass there. So thank you very much for watching the video, and please give it like